Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom phone cases website store using Shopify. So first be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First we're going to go over here on the top left to products and we're going to click on add product. Now we're going to start filling all the blanks with our products information. For example, I'm going to start with my cat ears hollow iPhone case. There you go. Now we're going to copy our title, and for the description I'm going to click on generate text. We're going to paste it right over here and we're going to click on generate. This way Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to create a description of our product for us. Here we can either choose to generate a description again or just click here to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new and we're going to select an image for our product. On our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor, collections and tags section. For collections, make sure you add your product to your homepage collection. And for tags, you can put whichever one you would like. For example, I'm just going to put over here phone case, and there you go. Now below our image, we're going to have a category section. Now usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us and it's almost always going to be correct. So if in the case that it isn't, we can always click over here and change it if we so want it. For the pricing, let's say that we are going to charge around 20,000 pesos for our phone cases and our cost per item is going to be around 10,000 pesos. This is going to leave us a 10,000 pesos profit at a 50% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we are not going to keep track of inventory. And here we also have a weight section to assign weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of ship. So once we are done customizing our product, we are going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to click on save. As you can see, if we go down, we would have our first product uploaded for our online store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add a product again and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products I want on my store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So as you can see guys, here I have added a bunch of new products. For example, a relaxing buttons iPhone case, a lipstick iPhone case and also a leather iPhone case. So once we are done uploading all of the products that we want, we're going to go to our online store and we are going to start to customize it. Now the first thing that we are going to be able to customize is going to be its theme. If we go down, you can see that we're going to have a bunch of different free themes for us to use. And if we want to shop for more of them, we can go over here on Visit Theme Store. And this is going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store where we are going to be able to, there you go, shop for a bunch of different free themes. For a bunch of different themes. These are not free. So, here we might find some themes that could better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize and here we're going to start customizing all of our stores sections. For example, if we click over here, you can see that this section is going to be outlined by this blue line and on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize it. For example, this is our image banner, and if we click on select add images, we're going to be able to select an image to be our banner. So once this is done processing, there you go, I'm going to click on done, and over here you can see that the background is going to be changed. Next, I'm going to click on our heading in order to change the text here on the right. So I'm going to put welcome to my customized phone cases store. There you go. Now, let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the left where it says template. We're going to click on add section and here we're going to have a bunch of different options. For example, a featured collection, a featured product, collection list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product and as you can see here on the top left, I'm going to click on select and I'm going to choose one of my products to be displayed right over here. For example, I'm going to choose my lipstick iPhone case. There you go. And as you can see here, the product is going to be displayed on this new section. Now let's say that we want to change the color scheme. For example, I'm going to click over here and we're going to put a nice dark theme right around here. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, I'm going to add a featured collection. As you can see here, the section is going to appear right at the bottom, and we want to delete this section. So how do we do it? Well, we are going to make sure that we have this section selected, and here we're going to go on the bottom right and we're going to click on remove section. This way, this section is going to be completely removed. We can also add sections to our footer if you want. We can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. We can add a custom liquid or an announcement bar if we so wanted. Another thing about our header is going to be that right over here our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to go over here and exit, and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, name store, and now we're going to be able to change our store's name to, for example, custom phone cases. There you go. I'm going to save my changes, and now I'm going to go back and we're going to go to our online store again in order to make sure that everything is correct. But now instead of customize, we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see here on the header, the name of the store is going to be changed. We can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. And once we are done customizing and checking out our website, we are going to go back over here in order to go over the analytics and marketing section. And next we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as for example which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section. Here if we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say we're going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on Browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on Set End Date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.